How to replace the speakers. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh and display panel. Removal. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the speaker cable from its routing hooks along the motherboard EMI shielding. Remove the 3 P1 Phillips-broadhead screws from the right speaker. Remove the 3 P1 Phillips-broadhead screws from the left speaker. Disconnect the USB dongle cable from its connector on the motherboard and move it out of the way of the speakers and cable. Grasp the left and right speaker and remove them from their alignment posts on the back cover. Replacement. Place the left and right speaker onto their alignment posts on the back cover. Reconnect the USB dongle cable to its connector on the motherboard. Replace the 3 P1 Phillips-broadhead screws that secure the left speaker to the back cover. Replace the 3 P1 Phillips-broadhead screws that secure the right speaker to the back cover. Route the speaker cable along its routing hooks on the motherboard EMI shielding. Reconnect the speaker cable to its connector on the motherboard.